So many memories have been made here. Fellows Lake has had a long history of outdoor recreation. Anything outdoors that you can do without many amenities has been available to the public. What our goal is we really hope to expand on those opportunities and make a whole new generation of memories with additional amenities such as bike trails, improved structures, improved playgrounds, and just kind of up the game a little bit on where we've been over the years. A few years ago, we recognized the need to replace the marina, which has been in place since late 1950s. And we thought at that time, let's take an opportunity and look at the overall asset that's here and see what kind of recreational opportunities we could make available to the public.
In appreciation of your faithful dedication, outstanding contributions, and extraordinary leadership to the Springfield community, we officially designate this Miller Park.
Thank you very much.
When Scott was getting ready to retire, the board really wanted to honor Scott somehow, and Scott will be the first to tell you that he hates things named after him. So the board really went to his love of the outdoors. He is a fisherman, he gets outdoors. In order to honor Scott, they decided to rename the area, the marina area here at Fellows Lake, after Scott and call it Miller Park.
And this place has so much potential. And I'm just excited about having the Miller name associated with this park, but really coming back and seeing what this area can be for our community.
There's eventually will be 33 miles of dual-use trail, mostly optimized for mountain biking, but also available to hikers, and it will circumvent the lake. So 33 miles is a great opportunity for people to come out and enjoy the scenic beauty and get out and have some outdoor recreation and exercise. Those trails are filling up the parking lots and a very, very popular attraction. And I have to say that that community has been fabulous.
So we took a trip to Northwest Arkansas with some of the key stakeholders in the Springfield area to go down there and see how the trails have impacted Northwest Arkansas. That is a huge tourism boom in Northwest Arkansas, the trails that they started to build. We kind of asked them, well, why would you want to help Southwest Missouri bring trails to Southwest Missouri? And their point was, once you get a certain number of miles of trails here, people are going to come here as a destination. The marina that dated back into the 50s has been demoed. We're putting in a brand new marina. We have the Watershed Committee of the Ozarks, which has partnered with us to operate the marina. It's really all coming together as just a really cool feature for the city of Springfield. Everything we have heard, people have just loved it.
With the press we got and the announcement of the new dock and everything, we have seen a pretty large influx of people that have lived here their entire lives and said, I've never been to Fellows Lake. We're able to show them the trails, teach them the rules, and also educate them on the stewardship of protecting the water.
Everything we have done here has been to ensure that we built it all with water quality in mind.
This is a primary water source for our community. It's very important that we protect that water quality.
And Fellows Lake has really kind of been a diamond in the rough. Great asset to the city, but we haven't had the partnerships that we have in place right now to really take it to that next level for outdoor recreation. And with all the partners working together, you know, it really is bringing a cool vibe to this whole area.
And there's just a lot of exciting opportunities for the community, and we think this is going to be a center for recreational activity, and really excited about having that.